Good evening. We begin tonight with a Ramona gym owner facing charges for refusing to close. This is the first time the San Diego District Attorney's Office has charged a local business for violating the California public health order. Fox 5's Kasha Gregorczyk spoke with the owner and his lawyer and has the story live from Ramona. Kasha.
Good evening, Kathleen. That's right. Peter San Nicolas tells us he's had this business for the last 20 years, 2 decades, and he said the sheriff's department had come by a number of times in the last couple of months, but he believed those were just warnings. Today he tells us he was very surprised to learn those warnings had turned into formal charges.
Little town of Ramona, we're the first small business in the county.
It's true. Ramona Fitness Center owner Peter San Nicolas is the first in San Diego County to face formal charges for violating California's COVID-19 related health orders. San Nicolas is facing 5 misdemeanor counts, each holding a possibility of 6 months behind bars and a $1,000 fine. According to the district attorney's office, the charges stem from 5 different visits by the sheriff's department to the business between June and July.
Basically, it was more of a warning, and in fact, actually, they told me that there wasn't going to be any fines or no arrests or anything, but we just need to make a report.
San Nicolas had reopened the gym at the start of June, 2 weeks before the state gave the official go-ahead, and it's been open ever since, even after the state pulled back on gym openings mid-July.
This helps build your immune system, helps make you stronger mentally, physically. I just think my goal has always been to help people, and by opening, I wasn't trying to hurt anyone.
San Nicolas says he learned of the charges like everyone else on Monday, and he and his lawyer, Gary Creep, hadn't even seen the criminal complaint yet.
My personal opinion, Peter is a small businessman. He doesn't have millions of dollars behind him. I think what the DA is doing is trying to win one for the cause. They're going to try to make an example of Peter.
The district attorney's office issued a statement saying in part they work with law enforcement and businesses to achieve compliance. But if the health order is ignored, it will file charges.
I built this building with my hands. I sawed the wood and hammered the nails for it to be closed and not really, possibly not reopen at all. I just can't do that.
Now, according to San Nicolas, there have been no exposures to COVID-19 here at his gym that he knows of. He is due to be arraigned in court on December 1st. In the meantime, he tells us he is considering moving some of that equipment outdoors. Reporting live in Ramona tonight, Kasha Gregorczyk, Fox 5 News.